Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel if you're old, and welcome to my channel if you are new. It's January 2020, and my aim for really January, I suppose, I'll probably have already talked about this in another video, but we're gonna get some nice feel-good videos. We're gonna start the year well. We're gonna start the year with some academic stuff, some personal stuff, I can't even speak. Some stuff to really make us have the best year possible, make us have a great year. And today we're talking about things to do to boost your mood and boost productivity. Now, these are things that I do in my life that just kind of help me get stuff done, be more productive, feel more awake and alive. And if they work for me, they might work for some of you. And so I am going to share them today. So yeah, little things to do to boost your mood and productivity. Now, I know what you're thinking, what, like, huh? Do you ever just get up and you're like, I cannot be bothered? I'd rather just lie in my bed and do whatever, watch Netflix, scroll through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Um, or you're like, I cannot be bothered to get this work done. I don't want to start the work. I don't want, or you're sitting in the middle of work and you're like, ugh, I just cannot get this done. I feel motivated in absolutely no way to finish this. This is what this video is all about. And so without further ado, let's get into thing number one. So make your bed. Now, it sounds a bit like, but something as simple as making your bed in the morning gives you an immediate sense of achievement. And this achievement, it can help you start to go, it can help you get going, it'll help you feel like you're already doing something slightly productive, because let's be honest, a messy bed is just a bit depressing. It's just a bit like, but is it just me, or just like you just not want to do anything with it? It's just kind of there. So make your bed. Like, as soon as you wake up, make your bed. You're also less likely to get back into a bed that's already made, and so you're already up. You're already starting stuff, and you can immediately start to feel productive. And so, we'll be able to see if I turn the correct way that my bed is now made. It wasn't before, because I had to do that for the video. But yeah, make your bed. So number two, get some natural light. As you can see, there is no natural light currently in my room. However, there will be in a minute, because opening your curtains and blinds and getting that natural light kind of just makes you feel like you can start working, and makes you feel like you're not in your bedroom anymore. I work in my bedroom, and that is where I've always worked, and working with natural light is so much better than working in the bedroom lights, because bedroom lights are just so like bright, shining. Natural lights make you feel more with nature, I suppose. Also, just getting outside. Like, I wouldn't work outside because I hate working outside, and also sunlight hitting off the page and into my eyes, I just don't like it. But get outside, get some fresh air, get some natural light outside, soak up that vitamin D. It's kind of difficult in Northern Ireland, but that's not the point. Soak up that vitamin D, make sure that you can, just exist outside for a bit. Don't spend all day inside, because that just really does decrease productivity, like really. Yeah, natural light is definitely just, it's a little thing. Opening your curtains and blinds is just like such a simple thing, but it does make such a difference. Did someone say natural light? Because I see it now. But yeah, honestly, I'm already feeling more like alert now that there's natural light rather than my bedroom light, because it's just the fact that there's light coming in from outside kind of makes you feel more like ready to go. But yeah, on to number three, we have to-do list. I love a good to-do list, especially using Notion, which is literally my favorite productivity tool. Using Notion, I make my to-do list with little checkboxes. I can change it every day, and I like to put in small, achievable, short goals. Whether it be something like write this page of something, or script one video, or edit one video, or is it edit half a video, do not have that much time, or is it like do one page of this, or write notes from 2 pages of this? We don't want to put things on our to-do list like revision. That's not helpful. You're going to be like, what am I going to revise? When am I going to revise it? My notes just went off the screen. No, you want to do something like biology. I will write 2 pages of notes from this, or I will do 2 pages of textbook from this. I'll do 1 set of past paper questions, or I will do this homework. You want small, attainable, short goals. and tick them off when you've completed it. I love the satisfaction of being like, done, it is done, it is fertig gewesen, German. I love just having it done and feeling that like, I've accomplished something. It's so good. And yet split up big tasks into small chunks. Like if I have to do some biology revision on something, I'll say, do this bit, do this bit, do this bit, do this bit. And that's 4 separate tasks, but they're shorter and you tick them off and then they are done. And so number 4, we have make a productivity playlist. I have a productivity playlist of really like fast music. There are a lot of Mario Kart remixes there. And make sure you love all the songs and you put them and you can work hard. If I get it up on Spotify here, and I will show you it on Spotify. In fact, I will show you my productivity playlist here after we phone screen record. But if I play something from it now, if it would load quickly enough, you'll get to hear like the kind of fast stuff I'm talking about. Let's go for this one. Coconut Mile, I mean, it's the classic. Yeah. I love working to it because it's just so feel good, it's so fast, it's so let's get stuff done. And the thing about my productivity playlist is I only listen to it if I'm feeling like I can't be bothered. I need to get work done. But as soon as I put that playlist on, I'm in the mindset. It's even just having a mindset of this playlist is on, I am now going to work so hard. That I think really helps just if you're in a bit of a rut, if you're just a bit like, I can't be bothered. If I had to write my personal statement, put this on, I hated it and I got it done. If I have to do something like if I have to write biology notes about some kind of plant stuff that I just absolutely hate or some kind of ecology stuff I absolutely hate, put it on, go for it, get it done. It works so well, and the fast music also helps you become more alert and also like go in the zone, which I absolutely love, and I use it all the time. Well, I use it if I'm, not productive, and then put it on. Works so well. And so the last one, number 5, take a 5 or 10 minute break. If you have deserved it, you have worked. Take a break, honestly. Go make yourself a cup of tea. That's what I do all the time. Go say hi to your sibling. Go annoy them, stand in the room like this. Hi. That's what I do all the time. My siblings have a weird thing where we just walk into people's doors, just be like, hi. Bye. Go have a conversation with someone. Don't go on your phone. It's the worst place to spend 5 minutes, or should I say 30, by the time you finish, because you will be on there for quite a while. Like, there's no way of saying it. If you go on your phone as a break, it'll continue. It's not a good way to take a break because you're so wondering, have you missed out something here? Have you missed out something there? My twin brother's about to walk past there. You might not be able to see him. Well, but yeah, seriously, take a 5 minute break and do something different, but not go on your phone. And so those have been 5 little things you can do to just kind of boost your mood, boost your productivity, get that work done if you're feeling a bit down. And well, honestly, they work for me. They might work for you, and that's really what I gotta say. But if you did like this video, and if you think this will help you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, do all that great stuff. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.